Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. I'm Manhar and welcome back to Microsoft webcast. In today's video, we are going to learn the steps on how to add a custom domain name in Microsoft Entra ID Tenant. In the earlier video, we did create a Microsoft Entra ID Tenant with Microsoft Entra ID free subscription. In this step-by-step guide, we will add a custom domain name in Microsoft Entra ID Tenant and verify the domain name. Microsoft Entra ID Tenants come with an initial domain name like tenantname.onmicrosoft.com. We can't change or delete the initial domain name, but we can add our organization's name to the initial domain. Until you add your own domain name to Microsoft Entra ID, any new users that you create contain the default domain name. By adding our custom domain name, we can then add usernames that are familiar to our users, such as manhar@msftwebcast.in. We can use Microsoft 365 Admin Center or Microsoft Entra Admin Center to add custom domain name in Microsoft Entra Tenant. In this video, we will be using Microsoft Entra Admin Center. Sign in to the Microsoft Entra Admin Center as at least a domain name administrator. You can access Microsoft Entra Admin Center using the URL https://entra.microsoft.com. For this video, we have used the global administrator account to access the Microsoft Entra Admin Center. With this account, we have all the necessary permissions to carry out any actions within the Microsoft Entra Admin Center. Expand Identity menu and click on Show More. Now click on Settings and then click on Domain Names. We can see our default domain name msftwebcast.lab24.onmicrosoft.com. To add custom domain name, click Add Custom Domain. When prompted, enter the name of the domain you want to add. In our example, we will add the domain msftwebcast.in. Click on Add Domain. We get the confirmation that domain name added successfully. The unverified domain msftwebcast.in is added in our Microsoft Entra Tenant. The msftwebcast.in page appears showing the DNS information needed to validate our domain ownership. Click on Domain Names. We have added custom domain name msftwebcast.in, but the domain name is not verified yet. Click on Custom Domain Name. In our case, it is msftwebcast.in. To use this domain name in our Microsoft Entra Tenant, we have to create a new txt record or mx record in our domain name registrar using the information. So you have to save this information. You can also share this information using email message. Creating this txt or mx record for our domain verifies ownership of our domain name. Go back to Domain Registrar and create a new txt or mx record for your domain based on this DNS information. Set the time to live to 3600 seconds and save the record in DNS. I have my domain registered with Hostinger. Let's add txt record with this value in Hostinger DNS Manager. In your case, the domain name verification steps might be a little different than this one. I have already accessed my Hostinger account. Select txt record type. Go back to Microsoft Entra Admin Center. Copy destination or points to address value. Go back to Hostinger DNS Manager and paste the value. Change the TTL value to 3600. Now click on Add Record. The DNS record created successfully. Let's verify that. Okay, we can see our txt record here. Go back to Microsoft Entra Admin Center. Click on Verify. We will receive a message that successfully verified the domain name msftwebcast.in for use within MSFT Webcast. Verification can take anywhere from a few seconds to a few days to complete. Click on Domain Names. A custom domain name msftwebcast.in is now verified. You can also make this domain name as primary domain name in your Microsoft Entra Tenant. At this moment, MSFT Webcast lab24.onmicrosoft.com domain name is our primary domain name. To make msftwebcast.in as a primary domain name, click on msftwebcast.in. At the top, click on Make Primary. On confirmation, click on Yes. Now wait for the confirmation message. Here we can see the message, domain name made primary. So our domain name msftwebcast.in has been made primary for our Microsoft Entra ID Tenant. Let's click on Domain Names. And now we can confirm msftwebcast.in is our primary domain name in this Microsoft Entra ID Tenant. There are few important points to keep in mind regarding custom domain names in Microsoft Entra Tenant. You can add up to 5,000 managed domain names in Microsoft Entra Tenant. If you are configuring all your domains for federation with on-premises Active Directory, you can add up to 2,500 domain names in each organization. If you want to add a subdomain name such as surat.msftwebcast.in to your organization, you should first add and verify the root domain such as msftwebcast.in. The subdomain is automatically verified by Microsoft Entra ID. That's it for today's video on how to add a custom domain name in Microsoft Entra ID Tenant. I hope you found the tutorial helpful and informative. If you have any questions or need further clarification on any of the steps, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos on Microsoft Entra ID and other Microsoft related topics. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.